Hello and welcome back. This is going to be part 3.5, and we're just going to pick up where we left off. And when I downloaded the teams into the box up there, these are the messages it's telling me that we had some problems with here. And I already know what all this is, and I'll show you what happened here. I copied all this down here. So what we need to do is redo this, copy only the boxes here. And then we'll come back into the system again, and we're going to go right back up to get back out of this box. We're going to go to back to the divisions and go back to the import again. And here's our box here, and we're going to paste this here. And I forgot to mention here, this first row is a header, so that they're talking about our header here. So we are going to check that, and hopefully we'll click this. We won't have any errors. Okay, everything looks good. Now we got the team name, the divisions, division name, and this right here, we need to go back and change this to their abbreviation and the gender. So this all looks right. So we should be able to import this without any mistakes. Okay, so all of our teams are now imported. When we go over here to look at the 14U teams, it has loaded all the teams in here for us. So if we look at our spreadsheet, we should have 7 teams on our spreadsheet in the 14U division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have all the teams loaded there. Okay, let's check out the 16U. And 16U, it has 6 teams. Now, it's created some other divisions here. I don't know why it does this. I haven't figured that one out yet. But these are the ones that have our teams in here, okay? So if we want to fix this up, we can come in here and go back to divisions here. And let's go edit the divisions. Let's get rid of these 2 guys that popped up over here. I think these were our teams are in here. So we're going to delete these, and we're going to come here and we're going to put our 14U here. Later on, we figure out a work around that, why it does that. We'll get the video updated. But right now, I'm just showing you simple ways to make it work. I'm going to change this color back to green, and then I'm going to click on the green here. Okay, so now we go back to the divisions. Well, these guys. Well, let me try this again. I didn't save it. Okay, we're going to delete these 2 guys. There again, got to watch out for your save button there. I did not save it, so it didn't update. Now you guys can see my mistakes and see how I learned through the process. Okay, now we're going to save the changes. And we go back to our divisions. Now these are our 2 divisions that we got. Here's our teams. Okay, 7 teams and 14. And we should have 6 teams over here in the 16U bracket. So that's pretty much the pulling in the teams into the tournament machine. This is way easier than bringing in single teams. Now, if you wanted to add a team, it's not too hard. You come in here to teams, and you can come in here, add a team. And this is where the process I was showing you earlier, it's a lot of information, but basically all you do is put the team name here. But it's best to import them in from the Big Bang website. But you can add them in here manually if you like, okay? And you can look over all this other stuff in here. When you start talking about teams, it has some restrictions. If you want to put some restrictions in on this team, when they can play, when they can't play, and all that good stuff, you can do that here. Okay, that's going to conclude loading the divisions and bringing in the teams. So that'll be the end of 3.5 here. And then the next one, we're going to jump into pools and pool scheduling.